What's up everybody, Bubba D's here, and today we're going to be doing something exciting using the Instapot. Why dirty your pots when you can use the Instapot? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. So we're going to be doing fish from frozen. You're going to be needing, I guess, haddock fillet or any kind of fish that you prefer, salmon and so on. Mixed vegetables, your choice, whatever's in season. You're going to be needing, I guess, a wedge of butter, a lemon, some black pepper, and some salt. Now you can go ahead and add rosemary or any additional seasonings that you like, but it's completely up to you. And this device right here, I'll have it linked at the bottom, but you're gonna need one of those to be able to do the vegetables and this haddock fillet. Now I'm sure you can find this accessory on Amazon. I will link the link below. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and put our vegetables in on the lower part of this device. It has two different compartments, and they're both individually sealed, so it makes it super easy. We're gonna go ahead and add some seasoning to our lovely vegetables. Now I have, I guess, cauliflower, carrots, and zucchini. You can go with whatever you preferably have. Add some salt, some pepper, and we'll also add a little piece of butter in there too. Or if you'd like, you can put olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil, whatever you prefer. So we're gonna go ahead and put the other piece on top. This is where we're gonna start putting in our fish. So we're gonna put two pieces of butter wedges at the bottom. We'll actually put our frozen fish right on top of that. And we'll go ahead and put some salt on them. And we'll go ahead and put some black pepper. I like a lot of black pepper. You don't have to put this much, and I do apologize for putting a little bit too much, but you go ahead and put whatever you want. You can also put a stem of rosemary on top if you'd like. To give it a little bit of extra stuff, some green onions. This is a really easy follow along, kind of make it your own recipe. All right, so that we got that done with the seasoning on there. We're gonna go ahead and put some lemon juice on top. Now with the lemon and the butter, when it eventually comes to a full cooking status in your Instapot, it just goes really well, makes a nice little sauce. It's great. Put some lemon wedges on top, make it look pretty. Put our lovely lid on top, and this device has a little, I guess, locking mechanism, and you'll go ahead and just seal it, and you can go ahead and put it in the Instapot. So you're gonna need 1.5 cups of water, and we're gonna be pouring that right in. Put our device right inside there as well, and we'll go ahead and put our lid on top. Perfect. Now you want to set this to high pressure for 7 to 8 minutes if it's frozen. If it's non-frozen, you can do about 3 minutes, and you should have a wonderful meal. That's what the finished product looks like. You can see the vegetables are nicely steamed. You can see the fish is completely done. I'll go ahead and plate this, and you guys can watch me enjoy. So carrots, nice and crunchy. Fish, nice and flaky. You can see the flakes right there. It's not overcooked by any means at all. The zucchini is a little soft, but overall the vegetables are cooked to perfection. Has a lovely taste, and if you're on that keto kind of movement, this is the perfect meal for you. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and follow, and I'll see you around.